इस बुक के कंटेंट जो हैं ये हैं अलग अलग कैटेगरीज में डिवाइडेड है। जैसे मेंस्ट्रुअल डिसऑर्डर्स ये अलग है, उसके बाद डिसीजेज ऑफ वल्वा अलग टॉपिक दिया है, फिर डिसीजेज ऑफ वजाइना, डिसीजेज ऑफ सर्विक्स, देन डिसीजेज ऑफ यूट्रस, डिसीज ऑफ ब्रेस्ट और जो अदर जनरल कंडीशंस इसके अलावा रह जाती हैं। और इसके बाद जो ऑप्स के टॉपिक्स हैं वो दे रखे हैं यहाँ पर इसमें। तो अब हम चैप्टर 1 से शुरू करते हैं जिसमें है मेंस्ट्रुअल डिसऑर्डर्स। तो पहला टॉपिक है वो है ल्यूकोरिया। तो जो फर्स्ट मेडिसिन है एल्यूमिना। देयर आर 3 मेन रीजन्स वाई एल्यूमिना पेशेंट सफर्स फ्रॉम ल्यूकोरिया। द फर्स्ट एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रीज़न इज़ रिकरेंट इन्फेक्शन। को बार बार इन्फेक्शंस होता रहता है, both systemic and local. Patient has abnormal craving for charcoal, chalk, mud, etc. Secondly, there is lack of exercise, and the third important reason is anemia. Uncleanliness during the period of menstruation causes leukorrhea. Discharges are acrid, profuse, transparent, and ropey with burning sensation in genitalia. This burning sensation is relieved by washing the parts with cold water. Yellowish mucus runs through medial aspects of thighs down to heels. मतलब थाइस से ऐसा रिश्ता हुआ नीचे तरफ आता है, इस तरह का ल्यूकोरिया होता है। With scanty, delayed and pale menses. Patient is exhausted after menses and leukorrhea. Leukorrhea with constipation and anemia. Dryness of all the mucous membrane, the skin and the vagina. Patient is chilly, sluggish, functions, heaviness, numbness and staggering. Lack of vital heat and the peculiar constipation are the characteristic symptoms. इसको जो होगा constipation भी होगा अच्छे से। उसका जो ल्यूकोरिया थाइस से नीचे की तरफ रोल डाउन करता हुआ आता है। Stitching and burning types of pain with vertigo. Worse in the morning. Stools are hard, dry and knotty. Rectum is sore, dry and inflamed with paretic condition. Women of sedentary habits are constipated and they have leukorrhea. Alumina is suited to constitutionally chilly patients. Low-spirited patients are afraid they will lose reason. Time passes too slowly. Suicidal tendency when she sees knife or blade. Modalities: aggravate in general in the morning by cold and better by open air by washing the parts with cold water. Warm room. Borax. Next, ल्यूकोरिया इज लाइक वाइट ऑफ एन एग। जो एग वाइट होता है, जब एग को ओपन करते हैं, ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं, जो उसका जो ट्रांसपेरेंट जेली तो नहीं कहेंगे, जो ट्रांसपेरेंट पार्ट होता है एग का, वैसा टाइप का ल्यूकोरिया होता है। विद सेंसेशन एज इफ हॉट फ्लूइड इज फ्लोइंग थ्रू जेनिटलिया। कैसा फील होता है? हॉट, गरम गरम। मेंसेस आर टू सून profuse with gripping pain in abdomen. These pains extend to small of back. Leukorrhea especially after menses. Membranous dysmenorrhea with pain in the breast during menses indicate this remedy. The psychological factor plays an important role other than the general causes of ill health and undernutrition. There are other causes also. The patient is extremely anxious about the future. Severe stitching pains in epigastric region with apathy. White fungus-like growth in the mouth. Psoriatic condition of the skin with erysipelas of face. Herpes. Voluptuous dreams. Cannot sleep on account of heat. Feeling of cobwebs on hand with itching of back of fingers, joint and hands. Patient is very anxious, especially from motions which have a downward direction. Anxious expression on the face during the downward motion. When lies down, throws the hands up as if afraid of falling. Excessive nervous, easily frightened, very sensitive to sudden noises. Modalities: aggravate from downward motion, noise, warm weather after menses, or better by washing the parts with cold water in the evening by pressure. और next medicine है क्रियोजोटम. Corrosive itching within the vulva during the flow of leukorrhea. Burning and swelling of labia with violent itching between labia and thighs. Before puberty, poor general health, unclean personal hygiene with anemia cause leukorrhea. Discharges are yellow, acrid, and with odor of green corns. Worse between menses, the menses are too early, prolonged, and intermittent. Leukorrhea is offensive and also intermittent. Hoarseness of boys with pain in larynx, which is worse in evening. Winter cough of old females with pressure on sternum. Dragging backache extending to genitalia and down to thighs. Abdomen is distended, burning hemorrhoids. Urine is offensive, violent itching of vulva and vagina. Worse after urination, dreams of urinating, enuresis in the first part of night. Patient has to hurry when there is desire for urination. Mentally, the patient timid and anxious must causes palpitation, sudden blackout of thoughts, stupid, forgetful, peevish and irritable. Patient wants many things but throws away when given. Modalities अग्रावेशन होता है कोल्ड फूड से, कोल्ड ड्रिंक से, कोल्ड इन जनरल, कोल्ड एप्लीकेशन से, रेस्ट से, ओपन एयर से एंड वाइल लाइंग डाउन आफ्टर मेंस्ट्रुअल फ्लो. और बेटर फील होता है वार्मथ इन जनरल, हॉट ड्रिंक्स, हॉट फूड और बाय मूवमेंट. नेक्स्ट नेट्रोम्यूर. Prolapses of the uterus causes cervical erosion and chronic cervicitis. These are the two common causes of leukorrhea. Paris women during the childbearing period become the victim of this disease. There is acute trichomonas and monilial vaginitis or chronic vaginitis, especially in presence of a pessary and genital prolapse. Pelvic inflammatory diseases also play an important role. Use of the oral contraceptive may cause leukorrhea. Menses are irregular, which are usually profuse in nature. Leukorrhea is acted watery, worse in the morning. Cutting type of pain in urethral ineffectual labor like pain with the suppressed menses. Leukorrhea is white in the beginning but turns green afterwards. The patient is very sensitive as far as genitalia is concerned due to dryness of vagina. Periodicity is well marked in this remedy and the symptoms are worse usually from 10 to 11 am. Marasmus or emaciation even though patient lives well. It is due to faulty assimilation. Patient craves for salt. She is thirsty and has unquenchable thirst for cold water and feels better after drinking the same. Mentally, the patient is sad and melancholic due to suppression of grief, anger and desire, disappointed love, irresistible laugh for long times or at unsuitable time, followed by weeping mood. Consolation aggravates the sufferings, forgetfulness, weak mind, forgets what she was about to say. Modalities aggravate होता है heat of sun 10 to 11 am at seashore after mental exertion और better feel होता है by open air lying down. Next है platina. Wearing down sensation with prolapse of uterus, inflammatory condition of ovaries and fallopian tubes. Genitalia are oversensitive in postmenopausal women. Uterine polyps, decubitus ulcer and prolapse of uterus are responsible for leukorrhea. Uterine fibroid and uterine carcinoma are also important factor for leukorrhea. Leukorrhea during parturition causes violent cramps in limbs and profuse hemorrhage with hysterical and purpural convulsions. It is predominantly a woman's remedy, especially suited to a hysterical woman with uterine troubles. The ailments are due to shock, excitement, disappointment, grief, fright, etc. Violent cramp-like pains which increase gradually and subside gradually. Vowels are constipated with colicky pain in abdomen. Mental symptoms always alternate with physical symptoms. Patient generally is a hysterical woman, thinks that she is superior and all others are inferior to her, alternating moods. At one moment she laughs and next moment she is sad and weepy. Becomes serious and irritable at silly matters. Religious insanity. Modalities aggravate on standing and sitting, better by walking in open air. Cilicia. Leukorrhea instead of menses. Milky acrid leukorrhea during urination. There is intense itching of vulva and vagina. The parts are very sensitive. Discharge of blood between menstrual periods. Discharge of bloody secretions every time when the child is nursed. Vaginal cyst is probably the cause of leukorrhea. Deficiency of animal heat. The patient is usually oversensitive and weak. There is lack of assimilation. Therefore, patient suffers from anemia, catarrhal condition of the uterus and genital tract due to purpural cervical erosion and granulation. Cervical perineal tear is the cause of leukorrhea, catarrhal condition of the respiratory tract, hoarseness with dry and teasing cough, tendency to take cold very easily, desires cold drink and cold food, dyspepsia with weak stomach, water rash and vomiting more in the morning, paralytic weakness of the extremities, feet are icy cold, corns on the soles, constipation due to inability of rectum to evacuate and paralytic weakness of rectum. The patient is nervous, excitable and sensitive to all impressions. There is lack of confidence and stamina. There is dread of appearing in public, especially in public speakers. Want of grit. Modalities aggravate होता है full moon पर, new moon, uncovering, cold in general, lying on damp place during menses, और better feel होता है warmth in general, summer, wrapping up of head, सर को कवर रखने पर. हेलोनियस क्या बोलते हैं आप इसको प्रोनाउंसिएट करते हैं, प्रोनाउंसिएशन पे आप मत जाइएगा. हेलोनियस जो भी है, चलो इसको पढ़ते हैं. Leukorrhea with severe burning and itching in the vulvar region, feeling of weight and soreness in the womb, pruritus vulva, severe backache after the discharges, dragging pains in sacral region with prolapse. Leukorrhea is thick and yellow, especially after miscarriage. Genital parts are hot, red and swollen. Sensation of weakness, dragging and weight in the sacrum and pelvis with great prostration are keynote indications for this remedy. There is tendency to prolapse and other malformations of uterus, and menses are often suppressed. Albuminuria during pregnancy and at the time of menopause, sensation as if a cold wind streamed up to calf of legs. Feet feel numb when sitting. Modalities है thinking of the complaints, aggravate होता है thinking of the complaint, motion और touch से. better होता है better by keeping herself busy. सोचेगी नहीं, अपने आप को बिजी रखेगी तो उसको बेटर फील होता है. अदर इम्पोर्टेंट रेमेडीज फॉर ल्यूकोरिया आर, इन सब के अलावा दो आप नोट कर लीजिए, कैंथारिस, एकोनाइट, थूजा, कॉस्टिकम एंड लैकेसिस.